Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Celine. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I will greatly and truly appreciate it. And if you're an oldie but goodie, the real MVP, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I truly appreciate it. So guys, for today's video I'm going to be reviewing and demoing the new Maybelline what's it called? The new Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage. The new Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 24-hour foundation. So this is it. I recently purchased, or my sister-in-law recently purchased this for me when she made a trip abroad to the US. So yeah, and I'm just going to like show you guys and also tell you guys what I think about this product. So anyways, the next clips I'm going to be showing now was like it's going to show you when I first wore the foundation and how the foundation played throughout the day. So yeah, once you finish watching that, I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you guys what I think about this foundation in Nigerian weather. Hey guys, so this is my face after a couple of hours wearing the Maybelline Superstay foundation in Nigerian weather. So I put on my makeup I think it was like around past 5 a.m. 5:40 something, almost 6 a.m. in the morning. You know, I attended a wedding, danced, you know, ran around, did a lot of stuff. So it's currently 9:08. That's 8 minutes after 9 p.m. Nigerian time. So I've been wearing this makeup for quite a while. I'm so tired, guys, like seriously. But anyways, just hold on till the next clip. I'm just going to show you guys like what I think about the foundation, you know, how it really played out on my face, you know, did it live up to the so-called 24 hours. So anyways guys, hold on. The next clips would be me talking about what I think or what I thought about the foundation, if it truly is a 24-hour super stay foundation in Nigerian weather. Okay guys, so you guys have seen the clips from when I first put on the foundation, my whole makeup, and how it lasted throughout the day. So I would say for me in this the weather hasn't been like super hot of recent. You know, we're in Nigeria here, we're in the rainy season, so everywhere is kind of cool. It's not so hot. Even when the sun comes out, it's not super hot. So the day that I tried this foundation on, I was a bridesmaid for one of my friends who was getting married. So I decided to do a wear test on the foundation, like you guys saw, to see if the claims of it being 24 hours really does, or really is what it does, you know. But it didn't last for 24 hours. First off, before I even go any further, let me just read what it says. So I got the shade Warm Coconut. I think it's a tad bit light for me. So if I'm going to get this foundation again, I'm going to probably go for one shade darker than this. This is like a shade lighter than I am. Full coverage foundation, up to 24-hour wear. Seamless matte finish, breathable and comfortable, fade and transfer resistant, oil free, doesn't clog pores, dermatologically tested. So let's just start ticking off the claims that it has right now. So full coverage foundation, yes, I would say it's a full coverage foundation, because when I applied it initially, it although I think I had to go with like 2 pump. I didn't want to go heavy-handed because of the fact that it's a shade lighter than I am, so I didn't really apply so much. But hopefully, I'm sure once I get the shade that is my true or correct match, I'm sure it would be. But I think it is a full coverage foundation, because just a little I applied, I have the mole here on my upper lip, so it really covered the mole well. So I would say it's a full coverage foundation. Up to 24-hour wear. I wouldn't say it's up to 24. It lasted up to 24 hours. It's like the day that, like I said, the day that I wore this foundation, I was a bridesmaid, so I had to do a lot of dancing. I would have to do a lot of, picking of money and all that. So there was a lot of activities for me. So I was sweating. I wasn't like sweating because the day was like cool, and the hall had AC, so I wasn't like sweating profusely, but I was sweating, and I had to like dab. I think I only dabbed my face. Like, when I mean dab, like blotting, sorry, I only blotted my face, I think, like once throughout the whole day. Then, but I still had to touch up my face. So I would say before I got oily, I would say it lasted about 6 to 7 hours in Nigerian weather before I got oily, which is actually very good. Like, most foundations in Nigerian weather usually last like maybe 3 to 4 hours, but this lasted like about 6 to 7 hours, because I got up really early to get my makeup done, like, because I woke up like around 4 a.m. to actually get my makeup done. So imagine, but I'm sure you saw the clip shot. So anyways, I would say it lasted about 6 to 7 hours before I did a touch up and blotting my face. So seamless matte finish. Yes, it is a seamless matte finish. It's not like drying matte, but it's matte. Like, it sets to a beautiful, I don't know if satin matte would be the word. It dries to a satin matte finish. So yeah. Breathable and comfortable. Yes, it is breathable and comfortable. Like, it doesn't even feel like as if you have anything on your face, which is very nice. I commend Maybelline for that. Fade and transfer resistant. No. Transfer resistant, yes, it transfers, because making a call, I saw maybe initially when you first wear it, it's not transfer resistant, but as the day goes on and the elements have had its toll on your face, it does transfer. It does fade a bit, not much, it does fade a bit, but it isn't transfer resistant. Probably maybe when you first wear it, it's transfer resistant, but as the day goes on, it's not transfer resistant. So yeah. Oil free. So it says next one, oil free, doesn't clog pores, and dermatologically tested. So I don't know about that. Like I said, my face still got oily after like 5, 6, 7 hours of wearing this foundation. But all in all, I would give this foundation a 7.5 out of 10, because in this Nigerian weather, like, foundation is just not like built for Nigerian. I'm still waiting for that foundation that is built for this our hot weather, like a foundation that would stand the test of time in this our Nigerian hot weather, because most of the foundations that are created are they are created abroad, in climates that are much cooler than Nigeria. So I'm still waiting for a foundation that is actually built for like African weather, like hot African weather, that would at least last for quite a while, even with all the heat and all that. But anyway, so far so good. I would say I give this foundation a 7.5 out of 10. It's actually a very nice foundation. Why I'm not going to give it an 8, I would have given it an 8, but just because this isn't my right shade, which is my fault. But anyways, well, it's not really my fault. I told my sister-in-law to get me mocha, but I think she didn't hear me, so she went to get me one coconut. But anyways, when I do get a chance, I'm going to get my shade of this foundation. But all in all, I do love this foundation. I am going to use it. And would I buy it again? Yes, I would definitely buy it again. Like I said, I'm going to buy my own shade because I think the foundation is amazing. Like, there a lot of people have used Maybelline, like the Maybelline Fit Me, the Maybelline Matte and Poreless, the Maybelline you know, all the other Maybelline foundations. I think this is actually my first time using a Maybelline foundation. I haven't gotten my hands on the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline, so I really enjoyed using this foundation, and I'm definitely when I do run out of this one or run out of my shade, I'm going to get it again. So yeah, I think this foundation is available everywhere. So if you're abroad, I think you can get it at Sephora, you can get it at Ulta Beauty. Like, so many of these online sites carry this, and in Nigeria I think a few of these online makeup sites also carry this foundation. I'm not sure yet, but if you go to like Instagram, some of these Instagram sales shops, for one, I know Shop Tika 4 on Instagram, they have this foundation, and a couple of other Instagram beauty sites carry this foundation. So if you're in Nigeria, you can also get this foundation for yourself. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This is my review and my demo on the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour foundation. I hope you guys found this helpful, even though my review is a bit late because the foundation came out a long while ago. But anyways, I still hope that this review is helpful to somebody out there who is thinking of wanting to buy this foundation. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and yeah, don't forget to hit the bell button, which is beside the subscribe button, so you can always get notifications on whenever I post up a new video. Okay guys, so until my next video, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye. Mwah.